again here this Saturday morning with the Cyber Eagles Jade R&D team here. We got Tristan and Levi, who's really in charge of our 3D printing and design department. Tristan, how are you doing today?
Use caffeine.
Caffeine, yeah. That's a really helpful supplement, especially when we get into like design and 3D printing and working through frustrations, I would say. Hey?
Yes.
Yeah.
This is only the college experience again. I don't want to talk about that experience.
Okay. All right. Levi, how about you? How are you this morning?
Yeah, I'm okay. Having a little trouble with Fusion 360. It's, as the nickname goes, Confusion 360.
Confusion 360. There you have it, folks.
Yeah, that about sums it up. So.
Awesome. Okay,
Yeah,
well,
it's fun.
that's all we can ask for, right? That's all we can do is try our best. Great.